You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. If you have ever wondered if movie magic spills into real life, today's headlines got you. Because it says, yes, they do. Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda, Tollywood's most whispered about duo, have taken the plunge. Engaged in a private Hyderabad ceremony on October 3rd, with wedding bells set for February 2026. After years of tantalizing hints and fan frenzy, the secret is out. No grand reveals, just pure, unfiltered joy. Here we are unpacking the timeline, the whispers, and why this one's got everyone talking. Let's dive into it. It begins in 2018 with Geeta Govindam, where their on-screen spark lit up screens and sparked endless speculation. Fans couldn't get enough of those lingering glances. Then came Dear Comrade in 2019, layering on even more intrigue with scenes that felt a touch too authentic. Off-screen moments only added fuel. A March 2025 sighting at a Mumbai cafe, arriving separately, leaving together, and April's Omanscape bought matching sunset post from the same stretch of shore. The kind of coincidence that keep tabloids thriving. Vijay addressed the chatter lightly in his Curly Tales interview. He said, "At 35, do you think I'm single? Hardly." Rashmika during Pushpa 2 promotions offered a knowing note. Everyone's in the loop. What's next? And that hand-in-hand stroll at New York's India Day Parade in August became the stuff of fan fiction. They have navigated the rumors with grace and a wink, never confirming, but always captivating. Which actually ended yesterday, an intimate Hyderabad gathering with family at the heart. But the response online has been a wave of celebratory edits under hashtag #RushWithWedding, proving that the wait was worth it. From what is known, it was a heartfelt ceremony. Rashmika's family from Virudhunagar joining Vijay's from Nizamabad under Hyderabad's welcoming skies, close-knit and spotlight-free, with just the glow of sting lights and shared stories. Her recent Dashera post hints at serenity, no overt sparkle in sight, but insiders whisper of a simple gold band passed down the family line. The February timeline fits their packed schedules like a glove. Rashmika's Hama dropped this Diwali, blending horror with heart, followed by Cocktail 2's bubbly chaos. Vijay rides Kingdom's spy thriller wave with a possible reunion project under Rahul Sankritiyan. Filming as newlyweds, that's the kind of meta magic that writes itself. And not to mention, the fans are buzzing with memes. From Geeta co-stars to forever life partners. The upgrade we didn't know we needed. While one viral thread possesses the Bharat playlist, heavy on Pushpa beats, natural. And while her timing aligns with her Pushpa's Shivalli glow up and his steady climb in this scripted celeb world, it all feels genuinely unforced, like the plot twist we secretly scripted ourselves. And this engagement, it's a boost for their already hot career. Rashmika Mandanna has been killing lately. From Animal's bold road to Pushpa's massive hit, she's the go-to for that fresh energy. Vijay is no different. He started with Arjun Reddy's breakout vibe and now owns thrillers like Kingdom. They've always had each other's back. She shared her Kingdom teaser on her feed. He cheered her on at Pushpa events. Now that they're official, everyone's talking about joint movies. Maybe a fun romance thriller where they team up again, mixing her charm with his edge. Fans want it bad. And maybe it could be next big Tollywood-Bollywood crossover. As simple as that. Their personal win turns into on-screen gold. And there we have it. Vijay and Rashmika, engaged, evolving, and wedding bound for February 2026. From subtle signals to this heartfelt yes. An update we all have been rooting for. A reminder which says that the best stories always starts with a whisper. Keep watching the Central Post for more.